guys. We got Ammo. It was me and Ammo. I'm driving down. Tell me how I got a whole ass moving truck and still have a whole ass car packed to the brim, guys. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. Emma, want to get in the camera? Want to say hi? Hello. Alright. McDonald's, coffee. We don't have a Starbucks close by, but I need coffee ASAP.
Medium vanilla, add caramel syrup?
Yes. 7 hours and 57 minutes, Momos. That's nothing. That's a piece of cake. Oh my gosh, I ain't never drove this far ever. Get comfy, dude. You're just excited. He's like, he doesn't even know what's going on. He's just the happiest dog ever. I tried to make it comfy for you. He'll have this whole back seat to himself with a bed and everything, and he'll cry. He won't get comfy, and then he comes up here, and he doesn't even have any room, but he's good. He's good with it. So I mean, that's kind of cool because I'd rather him up front for this drive. Even though your fur is gonna get everywhere, it's okay. We're gonna take turns driving, okay? In 4 hours, it's gonna be your turn. You gotta get ready, get some sleep in. That'd be so fucking cool if Ammo could drive. I like picture him up here with some sunglasses on. Gosh, alright guys, here we go. We're in Tennessee! We just got here. It's too much to pull out my camera right now, guys. I'm using my phone and I shouldn't be. So I just wanted to let you know we're in Tennessee! 30 minutes. Here we go! Made it to Nashville, guys. I survived the wild freaking windy roads, the semi-trucks. It was an intense drive. But
the cliffs,
but
no guardrails.
No freaking guardrails on the road. Thank you, Jesus. I made it. I wasn't sure about that, guys. So it is day 2, the next day. How you doing, Ammo? We're feeling good, guys, today. So exciting, Ammo! We're gonna go get the keys to our new apartment! Guys, I still have all this stuff in my car. That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go get the keys to our apartment. It's not anything crazy or big. But I'm excited. It's our own place, guys, in Nashville. Yesterday, I couldn't vlog the drive, and I'm so sorry, but it was so sketch. It was too scary. It was way too scary. There was so much traffic going on. There were so many cliffs. There were so many, like, just very sketchy areas, and I honestly didn't want to risk my life even more than I felt like it was already at risk. So I'm sorry I didn't get to vlog the drive. Safety first. But let's go. Let's go to the apartment. Give you guys a little tour, maybe. We'll see. Let's see how when we get there. I don't know.
Alright, who's popping it?
You.
Me?
Time? Yeah.
Last time you popped it in my face.
Popped it in your face.
Alright, here we go.
This is 2.
Living in Nashville, day 2.
Making here to live.
She loves it,
Day
so that's
2.
good.
I love it, guys. I love driving through the city.
Here we go.
Woo! Cheers to Nashville.
Cheers to Nashville. What do you think, Ammo?
Come
What do you think?
Come tell them how you feel. Come tell them how you feel. Tell them how you feel. What's up, guys? It's like day 4, I think. I don't know, guys. But I just dropped my sister off at the airport. You know, I went to Florida, and now I'm just here. And honestly, it feels like really quiet, really empty now that they're gone. But I have some things to do, I'm just contemplating on how I was gonna do them, what order I was gonna do everything in, you know, to make it like the most efficient, most effective way. You ever do that? You ever think of like everything that you had to do for the day, and then you spend like 2 hours just trying to figure out like what order you want to do them in when you could have just like got started with it? That's where I'm at right now in life. It took me like an hour to figure out how I was gonna do my hair, and then this is what we came up with. Off to a great start here in Nashville, day one by myself. But guys, I'm going to Cali tomorrow. I found a dog sitter for Ammo, and he seems like a really nice guy. So I feel comfortable leaving Ammo, and I'm gonna go to Cali because my apartment is empty. So I've been staying with my sister, and when she gets back, we're gonna go ahead and look at some furniture and stuff so we could get my apartment set up. It's just really empty there right now, and I don't really want to be there by myself. So I'm just chilling out here, but I'm gonna go run there because I gotta grab some things that I want to take to Cali. Hopefully like later on there's some cool stuff happening by myself. I don't know, I might go like explore, but I gotta go to the apartment first. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should take Emma with me. I don't know if I should keep him here. I don't know if I'm gonna go get food. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I'm overwhelmed. There's so many different options. There's too many options. I want to tell you guys this. I absolutely love it here. I know it's only like 4 days in, but I have zero regrets. Like I feel like this is like one of the best decisions that I've ever made. It just feels so good being here. Like this is so pretty. Like they have these rock walls, but it just feels, you know, it already feels just like pretty comfortable. And I know it's only like day 4 and I haven't even like explored or done anything. I just feel like it's just great, and it could just be like all new and exciting, and I'm just feeling that right now. But I guess we'll see in a few weeks how this really goes. But right now I absolutely love it. I'm excited to see how it goes.